Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventure! In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with the digraphs PH, pronounced as F, and WH, pronounced as W. Are you ready? Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Phone. Phone. Let's spell the word again. Phone. Phone. Let's read the sentence. Say, the phone rang. The phone rang. Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Let's spell that again. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Read the words after me. The ball is a sphere. The ball is a sphere. Photo. P-H-O-T-O. Let's spell the word one more time. P-H-O-T-O. Photo. Let's read the sentence. Say, I took a photo of the sunset. I took a photo of the sunset. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Let's spell the word again. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Let's read the sentence. Say, the dolphins leaped through the waves. The dolphins leaped through the waves. Gopher. G-O-P-H-E-R. Let's spell that word one more time. G-O-P-H-E-R. Gopher. Read the words after me. A gopher popped up in the garden. A gopher popped up in the garden. Wheel. W H E E L. Let's spell that again. W H E E L. Wheel. Let's read the sentence. The bicycle has two wheels. The bicycle has two wheels. Whale. W H A L E. Let's spell the word one more time. W H A L E. Whale. Say the words after me. The blue whale is very big. The blue whale is very big. Whistle. W H I S T L E. Let's spell that again. W H I S T L E. Whistle. Say the words after me. The coach blows the whistle. The coach blows the whistle. Whip. W H I P. Let's spell that again. W H I P. Whip. Let's read a sentence. Say, the ring leader brings a whip. The ringleader brings a whip. Wheat. W H E A T. Let's spell the word one more time. W H E A T. Wheat. Let's read the sentence. Say, these bread are made from wheat. These bread are made from wheat. Whisper. W H I S P E R. Let's spell the word one more time. W H I S P E R. Whisper. Read the words after me. Mark whispers to his friend. Mark whispers to his friend. Good job, children! You did it! Be sure to always practice reading and spelling so you can improve your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.